I can go back to my country with richer and also deeper understanding and perspective about HR analytics. So I want to know more about the analytics and what the perspective from HR, especially in talent management. My goal is to know more about the relation between the data analytics and also the HR. So in here, I have an opportunity to meet other HR practitioners from different countries and also from different fields. Like me from public sector, also HR practitioner from private sectors. And in here we have a very great and deep discussion regarding the HR analytics. So yeah, I can meet all of the expectation and also goals of this program. Abdul is really amazing because he has deep understanding and also very great experience and also expertise regarding this field. In Indonesia, I will evaluate what we have until now. I'll try to benchmark it with what I've got from LBTC, and I hope we can make a good change to my organization.